Hi, I'm Paul Haydocy with Road Adventures, and today I'm going to show you how to properly utilize your stabilizing jacks. You'll need your stabilizing crank tool to get the jacks down, which every travel trailer will come with an actual crank. Now, most travel trailers will have 4 stabilizing jacks. On this particular unit, they are located 1, 2, 3, and 4. To get your stabilizing jack down, simply attach the stabilizing crank to the jack, start spinning. Once you start spinning, you'll notice the jack going down. Now, you'll want to do the same thing for the 3 other jacks. The most important thing to realize is these are not weight-bearing jacks, so once they get to the ground, you want to stop cranking them because they are not meant to bear the weight of the trailer. Thank you for watching. To check out more how-to videos, go to our YouTube page or roadadventures.com and start planning your next great American getaway.